was talking up a storm and realized that my mic was not on. Okay, so I am back to using tape because the shadow shields that I have are just not working for me. So applying masking tape and applying it at the bottom all the way to the top. And now I'm gonna grab some concealer, or you can, I mean, I love using concealer, or you can get a eyeshadow primer. I just love this. Applying it. I'm going to blend that with a brush. I'm going to be using two eyeshadow palettes, so they're both really affordable, and I hope they still sell them because I feel like I'm back in the 2000 era. Like I'm stuck in there forever. I mean, I did get rid of a lot of my eyeshadow palettes, but I still have a lot. So I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild, which one is this one? Coffin Break. So this one came out like in October because it's like for Halloween, but it has just really beautiful transition shades. And I'm also going to be using this, I don't even know how to say that, but 910 from Revlon Color Stay Player. Wait, what? I was trying to say this name, girl. Let's just Player, this one. And it has that beautiful bluish that Kylie has, and I'm sure it's blue. It looks like blue because, girl, I did my research. I was just zooming in and all that, and it looks like light baby blue. And when she shows the palette, it looks like a light baby blue. So we're gonna start with the brown transition shade from the Wet n Wild palette. Going to apply this on my brow bone, bringing it inwards, but I'm going to focus that on the outer edge. You guys just know that I love you guys. If you guys been here for a while, you know that I love to create celebrity inspired makeup looks using affordable products. And I was telling my husband today when I was in Parent Pickup Line, I'm like, hey, I should bring the back up, you know? I think that's good enough. You can see it on the screen. I can see it on my viewfinder, so I think that's good enough. Going to take this shade right here, which is a little bit darker. I'm gonna grab a smaller fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to apply this on the outer edge and also on bringing it to the inner corner because her inner corner is really, really dark. Not my cup of tea, but we're trying to recreate this look. I'm also bringing it inwards like this. And right here, where you feel your eyeball, just move it around. I'm moving it in circles, if you guys can see. You see that? I'm going to connect it. Can you see how I focus that on the inner corner and also outer corner? Now I'm going to grab some concealer, and with a flat brush like this, I am going to clean that area. Just a little bit of concealer. And then I'm gonna, does she have a cut crease? A little bit, yeah. So I'm gonna look up, and whatever transfer at the top, that's where I'm going to do my crease. So I'm gonna apply a bit more and then look up. You see that? Can you see it? That's where I'm going to start cleaning up. So it's right here. So that's where I'm going to bring it up. Now I'm going to grab a flat shader brush like this, and I'm going to grab that gorgeous, it just reminds me of a mermaid or the sky or the ocean, that beautiful blue color. And I'm going to apply it starting from the inner corner, bringing it upwards. And for this, you want to do a patting motion. The color looks just like it. So I'm just going to pat it. I'm gonna go back to that brown, the darker one, and just apply some on the outer corner and inner corner. Okay, now grabbing the Essence liquid eyeliner. I have not used this in a while, so I hope it's good, but this one is long lasting and waterproof, so I'm gonna have a hard time taking this off because it's late. But just create a really, really thin Love that about Ariel that does her makeup. Really, really thin eyeliners that he creates. So I am going to create a really thin line and hold my breath. Ooh, it's nice and liquidy, so it's good. Perfect. I also see that she has a little bit of that gorgeous blue on her brow bone. Just a little bit. I'm gonna apply a little bit of that brown again on the bottom lash line. Okay, I already prepped my face with some moisturizer. Now I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild foundation, and this one is in color soft beige. It's probably a little bit too light for me, but oh yeah, big time. But we're gonna work with that. The foundation actually matches good. Or I'm probably tripping because I have so much light on me, but I feel like it matches really good. I'm going to be using the Skin Ink L'Oreal Concealer, which is a 3-in-1, if I'm not mistaken that. But it's a concealer and a foundation, but I love it as a concealer. I'm going to blend that. This is why I don't like to apply any eyeshadow, you know, at the bottom before my foundation, because it's going to disappear regardless when I'm applying that concealer and I'm blending all that out. So I had to reapply again that eyeshadow. And I like to go in again with my foundation brush and just blend everything again. I'm gonna use this Carla Secrets. I got this from Shein, and I also seen it on the TikTok shop. So you do your thing, but I'm gonna dig in into this 2 shades. I feel like this little contour palette with blush, it looks really good. Look at that. Looks super. I'm going to use that palette and also contour my nose. Bringing it up to my brow bone. For blush, it looks like she has a reddish blush, so I'm going to use Ruby by Pixie. And you guys already know, every time I do anything to my face, I always like to go in with my foundation brush and just blend everything. I'm going to grab this foundation, Healthy Powder, yeah, foundation in Classic Ivory by CoverGirl. And I'm just going to pat it all over my face to set everything. Now I'm going to bake with this Revolution banana powder. It's been a while that I have baked with this, so just gonna apply some on my hand. That's a lot. Dang it, that's a lot. I don't like that it's yellow. Remember, we were so into the yellow setting powders, the bananas and all that, and now we're like the pink ones. Crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna grab some in that powder puff. Apply that to, actually not bad, not bad. Nice. And apply that right here too. I'm going to take this CoverGirl in Deep Girl number 2 Full Spectrum Matte Ambition. It's an all-day powder foundation. I could have just said that. It's an all-day powder foundation, but it's like I always gravitate to this with everything that I have. I feel like I always gravitate to this. So I'm gonna bring that color back to my face. My blush just like left me until I reapply blush again. Out of all of the blushes, I felt like this one by Almay in Pink Flush was the closest to the first one that I started with by Pixie. So I'm gonna take that powder off. The lips, for the lip liner, I use the Milani Color Statement in Spice. Girl, I need more because I'm like hooked on this one, so I need more. Let me know what your favorite lip liners are. I might just get all Milani again. But on her lipstick, it looks really matte, so I'm gonna have to take that off. But my my lip mask. I'm gonna use Red Blonde to top that off. Now this one's, I don't even know, but they're the Color Stake crayons. I don't know what color this is, but we're gonna work with it. Oh, they smell so freaking good though. They smell like Play-Doh. I'm gonna grab a little bit of setting powder, grabbing a paper towel, grabbing some of that setting powder. Uh-oh. To take a little bit of this L'Oreal Voluminous Panorama Mascara. I love this mascara when I had lashes because, girl, they fell off. But let's apply a couple of coats. I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara on the bottom lashes. I apply a little bit of mascara on my bottom lashes. I just feel like she really doesn't have that much mascara on the bottom lashes. So for the setting spray, I'm going to use this Pixie makeup setting spray because, to be honest, this doesn't make your makeup last because it has rose water, green tea, and all the good things. So it's just a little fixing spray so it can all look really nice. And girl, don't forget. And here you guys have the final look. What do you guys think? I think I nailed the eyes, maybe not the lips, but I love this lip combo either way. But the eyes, it just looks so pretty. You guys know that I love recreating celebrity inspired looks with affordable drugstore products, and girl, I gave it to you. So I really hope you guys love this look. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment down below what other makeup, what other celebrity inspired looks I should recreate because I want to bring that back. So also I joined TikTok again. It sucks to start from the bottom again, but hey, make sure you guys go follow it. Please go drop off all your comments, go spam it. So make sure you guys go follow me. Make sure you drop your comments here and there. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye. Trust in me. I can't, you said I can't trust in you.